a student of architecture can be so challenging and daunting with all the assignments and projects occurring at the same time. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to effectively manage your time as a student of architecture and be successful. Don't go away. Hello everyone, welcome once again to another video on this channel. My name is Amaka Eke-Nwachukwu and this is A in Architecture. So today we'll be discussing something that I know that affects almost every student of architecture: time management. How do I manage my time, given all the whole projects and assignments and all the whole things we have to learn all at the same time. We will be learning and discussing five tips that can help you manage your time effectively as a student of architecture. Tip number 1: set specific goals. All right, so you should set specific goals for each day, each week, and each month. So you could say, for today I would do this, and this before the end of today. That will help you know how to manage your time that day, and at the end of the day, you know if you had really made some progress or not. Tip number 2: create a work schedule. Now, this is very important. As a student of architecture, you should have a work schedule which should include your studying time, your project time, the time you are apportioning to draw, your time to take breaks, because you cannot be seated in front of your table forever, right? So you must create a schedule and say between so time and so time. From this time to this time every day I'm studying. From this time to this time I'm dealing with my assignments. From this time to this time I am in front of my drawing table. That will help you a lot to apportion time to every important item of your school, because everything is important, not only the drawings, right? Tip number 3: prioritize your tasks. Now, what you want to do is make sure that you start working from the most important ones first, and then you continue gradually to the least important ones. So what that ensures is that by the time it's time for submission of the assignment or project, that most important one is ready at the time that it is needed. Tip number 4: take adequate breaks. Now, I know this may sound a little bit off, but you are not a machine, right? Take breaks. This will actually make sure that you are making progress, instead of just sitting in front of your drawing table or studying for long hours and not achieving much. By the time you're sitting down and for long hours and studying for too long, you start to burn out, and when you start to burn out, productivity is reduced and you are actually not making much progress, right? So ensure you take breaks. You can take a walk, you can stretch if you sat down for too long, you could drink water. Water is very important. You could hang out just a little bit with friends and then return back to your work. Tip number 5: stay organized. Organization is key. Ensure that your workspace, your table, everywhere around you is organized, so that you are not spending time reaching out for assignments or looking for drawings and spending so much time that could be saved, right? Also, keep a planner that can help you track your progress. I have a planner that can help you do that. I'll leave the link on how you can get it in the description box. My bonus tip to you is start early. Whatever project, whatever assignment, whatever studying you have to do, start early. Don't wait for your mates to start before you start. Don't follow the bandwagon, right? Start early, start making your research, and remember, a stitch in time saves 9, right? So if you love this video, remember to like, subscribe, share, turn on the bell notification so that you always be the first to know when our videos come on. Till next time, bye for now.